this one.
Hey guys, this is Rich from LaVision. I'm going to attempt to show you proper setup and operation of the articulated light arm with your laser. This is the general setup. You have your laser power supply, your laser head mounted directly to your flat rail. From the laser head into the light arm base, up through the light arm, and out through the end of the light arm. Here I have attached your standard LaVision sheet optics to the end of the light arm. I'm going to turn on the laser so you can get a better feel for what it's supposed to do. You should be able to see the laser on the wall. It's dropping at something like 15 hertz right now. I'm not sure, it's not quite in sync with the camera, so sometimes you see it on, sometimes you see it off. You can see here, I have the beam vertical right now. Move the light armor back and forth, and we see the beam stay stationary in the same position on the wall. Yeah. In general operation, when you're actually recording data, you don't want to be moving your arm around because there is just an ever so slight positional change of that light sheet. When you calibrate, you want your light sheet to remain fixed in the same spot. So, but for positioning purposes, yeah, you really swing this thing around quite a bit, all different orientations. Makes a very useful tool for changing position of where you're trying to measure, so you don't have to move around a big, clunky laser head. So I just wanted to start with the kind of the general overall picture, and I'm going to disassemble this and reassemble it so you can see how it's put together and aligned. I want to show you some general things on the final setup as well. Here you can see I have at the end of the light arm the LaVision sheet optics mounted directly to it. Now this L bracket also comes with your sheet optics. You just need to pull it out of your sheet optic case and mount it to your focusing optics here, and it makes it very useful. And I have it mounted directly to the base plate for the 3-axis gear head. So once you have this, either just the L bracket with this 3-axis gear head, or any tripod mount really, then you can mount it directly to a tripod, or with just the L bracket you can screw it to any fixture you might have around your experiment. Also makes it quite useful to mount these to a translation stage if you have one. If you need to move around your experiment and you don't want to readjust focus of your camera, position of your laser sheet, if you have it all fixed on what's called a stereo rig, 2 cameras together, light sheet optics in the middle, or some orientation like that, you can simply mount them all together and then they translate all together. So from here, next you will see this thing torn apart, and I'll reassemble it.